morning. It's vacation day. We still have to take our carry-on because we cannot forget Greg's sleep machine. So the last time we traveled, they lost our luggage. And thank God we had the sleep machine on a carry-on. But the sleep machine and one pair of overalls was in the carry-on bag. We didn't have a toothbrush, no clean underwear, no clean socks, nothing. It was hilarious. So I have to tell you about my friends, David and Judith Lawrence. They come to the restaurant all the time, and they have become friends of mine. And they saw our video where we had lost all of our luggage, or not we, but the airline. And they brought me this little overnight bag, care package, and I'm taking it with me. It has a toothbrush and all the essentials that you need. I hope I don't have to use it, but how sweet is that? There's my Uber driver. Love you.
Love you.
Are you gonna pick us up too?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Let me get Nita in there. I think we found the captain of the airplane. Our next stop is Charlotte. Just landed in Charlotte, North Carolina. Some airport lunch. Look at that burger. That looks good. Bart said once we get to Maine, if it has a lobster on the sign, we're going in.
Correct.
He doesn't care if it's lobster pancakes. Hey, dryer sheet coming out of your shoe. We're here in Bangor, Maine. It feels so good here. And our car rental place is overbooked, so we might have to wait about an hour or so for them to get some cars returned. But that's okay. Sometimes things happen. Here we are, just waiting on our rental car. I'm not even surprised that they overbooked. Are y'all surprised? Are you surprised, babe?
I'm gonna go over and surprise somebody that don't get a car. I'm hungry.
I'm not surprised one bit. At least we have our luggage. Unlike last time when we had no luggage, so this is fine. We'll be fine. First world problems.
Minivan!
Greg is going to be so happy.
Minivan!
Babe, you're going to be so happy.
Is it a minivan?
It's a minivan. Woo, she's a beaut. Whoa, she's nice. We're here. We're going to stay here for a week. Is that okay? Well, fine, howdy do. This is it. I love it. Oh,
This is nice.
I love it. Cute. We ran into Bar Harbor to grab a few essentials for breakfast in the morning, and we ended up eating at a place called The Ovens, which was so good. We had like pasta primavera and fish and chips, and I can't remember. Oh, Anita had a pork chop. We did not go for the lobster tonight because I'm not mentally prepared for the lobster yet. I've got to get ready for it. I want it to be an event. So we had a really good supper. We just got settled into our little beautiful Airbnb right by the water. It is the cutest little, I don't know what you call it, a cabin or a lodge. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It does have a little small bedroom off to the side that has a little twin bed in it, but it is just beautiful, and my friend Vina manages this. So anyway, it is spectacular. Tomorrow is going to be our first full day in Bar Harbor, and we are so excited to be here. It has been a very long day, so I am going to bed. We'll see you tomorrow.